You must be wondering what on earth this giant pink thing is that's poking out right behind me in the Manchester city centre.
This winter, something magical has spun its way into the heart of Manchester. We've teamed up with Skate Manchester, and to celebrate, we've planted something rather special in the skyline. Meet our brand new pink and purple wind turbine. She's helping power the rink itself. Inside the rink, there's magic everywhere. We kicked things off with an incredible launch party, and let's just say it was one for the books.
Okay, oh my gosh, excuse me. Ah! Woo! Yay!
Our Octoplus mascot even had a little skate. Who knew those tentacles had such moves? Need a warm-up? Pop over to Cafe Nero, where you'll find hot chocolate, coffee, snacks, and even a cheeky mulled wine waiting for you. And because we love sharing the joy, Octoplus members can grab 2-for-1 skating tickets in our app. Plus, we're also giving back to the community by offering thousands of £5 tickets to local groups, schools, and charities. Oh, and students, Wednesdays are yours. £12 tickets and a complimentary drink until December the 11th. Cheers to that. So come on down. Whether you're a pro twirler, a penguin pusher, or just here for the vibes, Skate Manchester is until the 4th of January, 11 a.m. till 9 p.m. daily. Ready to skate?